Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I wasn't going to do a Ethereum video today, but obviously we're breaking up here and we're kind of in a bull run, up 3.06% on our long trade, so I wanted to go over that. First, guys, happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. Hope you have a really good day enjoying your families and unapologetically enjoying the turkey, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, all that good stuff. So it's going to be really a fun day. We're doing a half day today over here at Trade Confident, and so this is my last video today, but we'll be available over email, and then obviously we'll be available all day tomorrow. Let's just dive in, guys. We're currently 83 for 83 wins on this channel. We've never lost a trade trading crypto. Last trade, we took 4.24% on Matic, and then we exited the other 50% at just over 7% profit. We're averaging between 10 to 15 profit per trade. This was one of our smaller ones. The one before this trade, just to show you guys really quickly here, we ended up taking 11.15% profit on Solana. So we were doing very good over here. The second half of this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to sign up for our membership so you guys can take all the trades we're taking so you guys can win these trades with us. It's going to be very fun. But without further ado, let's get into Ethereum today. So we saw Ethereum break this. Basically, it's a descending resistance line, and it is very bullish right now. And we are currently sitting in the profit for all of us who are following this channel of 3.06%. I'm in the profit as well. We may actually be into $51,000, maybe, possibly. Oh, we're not there yet, getting close. $50,911 at the moment. This actually went into the $49,000 area last couple days, so we've been rebounding about $1,000, which has been pretty fun to watch in the markets here. Take a look at this. I want us to focus on the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and then we're actually going to go over the metrics for Ethereum today to give you guys insights, and then I'll show you guys how to get set up into the next trades because I want to show you guys something that's kind of happening over here with the metrics. So we'll get into that in a second. All right, let's start with some projections for the weekend, shall we? Because I think a lot of people are wondering what's going to happen here. I use these two indicators, guys, to call my projections. The reason why is because they're hardly ever wrong. And I don't mean to be arrogant about that, but can we fly through here real quick? Top red section being hit with the well money flow being high. We see drops in the market right here. Well money flow is, at a decent place, not in the middle, but moving up here, trend exhaustion high. We see a stall in the price. We moved back down. Trend exhaustion in the top red section. We see a stall. We see a move back down. Trend exhaustion, top red section. The accuracy of this is insane. Move back down. Call this move back down over here. Get this on your chart so you guys can see this yourself. This ended up calling the top up here and maybe a bull trap to the upside, and then we started seeing this whole bear market cycle back down. We also saw this happen here. We saw this happen here where we did not head up any higher and we dropped back down in price. We saw this move up in the top red section, could not head any higher, we dropped back down. Literally the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, looking for the 10th time. I was actually calling this out over here in the last video the other day of looking for this move back down. 10 times we've actually seen this correlate to when we push close to the top red section. I'm not going to use this, but you can say we got close here. 10 for 10 times. There's not another indicator that does this, guys. Here's why I'm partnering it with the well money flow is when you have the flow of money very high as well as the trend exhaustion very high, this literally is showing you guys where wells and big money are actually switching from long trades to short trades before it happens. Okay? There is something that's called repainting indicators. A repainting indicator looks really nice when you go in the back and you see that it predicted all these moves back down. These are what are called non-repainting indicators. The technical proof of this is once a candle closes, the line in the past does not move. It is solidified for life forever. These are all non-repainting indicators. This is why they're so accurate. And literally, we have people we just had a guy make $20,000 using our indicators on what he's trading. Insane. Another guy made $20,000 on 80A and EOS, if you guys saw the EOS video. Incredible. Okay, point of pointing all that out is that you guys need these on your charts, and yes, these are part of the Black Friday sale that all the indicators are going up here for the bundle pack in 5 days. That's all you guys have left. Okay, not turn this into a sales video on Thanksgiving, but I want to just give you guys this proof of here. When we're getting down to the bottom red section, we are seeing bounces as well, so make sure you guys are watching that. Point being, showing you guys that the 10 for 10 times that we've pushed up close to this top red section, we've seen a move back down. I am looking for a potential move back down in Ethereum. Now, here's what I'm watching for, because I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me about an exit on this, which is absolutely valid, okay? I'm going to wait for this to push a little bit higher. I even am okay waiting for this to come back down, do a break and a retest formation, and then to push us a little bit higher. I think if we can get a nice bull run on this, we're going to see the next breakdown at this structure resistance, which is probably going to be about 4,500. We already hit there and we move back down, psychological level. But the target I'm really looking for this trade is at $4,700. And that's going to give us about, I would say, 7 to 8% in the market here. So that's the target I'm really looking for to get us back up here. Most likely what's going to happen is pushing the top red section. Watch this. Like if you guys want to take an exit, please, by all means, take an exit if you guys would like, and then you guys can put your buy limits back in. I'll show you guys where to access those to get into the next trade. But we are just not up in that top red section yet, and I will be watching this. I'll be coming out with videos tomorrow as well, but make sure you guys are following the Telegram channel because I will be looking to call an exit on Ethereum here if I see this pushed up higher, because we are expecting to see moves back down when we get up into this territory. So definitely watch that. All retail traders in the market here have all their indicators bullish, so this is an area where I am looking to sell out because I know a lot of people are going to try to push in here. The last time they were all bullish was when they were up here, and then it trapped a lot of traders, and then they were holding forever. And a lot of people who bought in up here to the FOMOs, they are still not in profit. So it has trapped a bunch of people. We are in the profit, however. Let's go over the metrics now, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into our next trades so you don't have to miss another win that we take, okay? Do you guys want to see this real quick just for fun? I'll spend literally like 10 seconds on this. This guy made $20,000 with the trend exhaustion and price versus wall money flow. This guy made $7,000 on Solana and ADA. This guy down here did $20,000. Where is this guy? He's insane. This guy down here, I'm killing it on ADA and EOS, almost up almost $20,000 from when I signed up with Trade Confident. That is insane. So he actually was trading a few more coins here. I apologize about that. The last video I put 20,000 for EOS and ADA, but this guy he's up $20,000 trading these coins. Like it's insane. This guy did $700 here and $61,000 tonight. Like we trade with a lot of our traders. Honestly, guys, are actually millionaires, and they trust our channel because we actually keep people safe and we're not going to get into pump coins. When you can trust the channel, you guys can throw more money into the market, like $50,000 or $100,000, and that's why I personally do it, is because I'm keeping us all safe in the market and I'm not being risky. We'll trade this for 10 to 20 years and we're going to do great, while a lot of people who are risky are going to lose majority of their accounts within 90 days. It's a proven statistic. 90% of traders lose 90% of their account balance within 90 days, okay? So we're going to keep you guys safe. I'm keeping myself safe. 8 a.m. Pacific, and we're making a lot of money, which is nice. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when all the metrics are going to update. We are still pushed down into the anxious section for Ethereum here, which I really love, because this tells me that this is a great time to buy. And that's what we did. We end up buying down here at 4,350. We've been waiting for this to come back up. Now we're in the profit, doing great. Take a look at long versus short trades in the market here. This is showing us that short trades have been leveling out, okay? Long trades have been leveling out as well. Short trades were increasing drastically, and as that happened, we ended up seeing the market turn to a bearish market, and we created lower highs and lower lows. That was a precursor, I believe, to the amount of pressure with short trades in the market, pushing us back down here. Now that we see basically short trades leveling out, and if we do see any type of short trades decrease in the market here, such as we saw over here, even with long trades staying flat, this could actually push us into another bull run before the end of the year is over. This is where I'm watching you guys. Now I want you guys to watch this every single day. Looking at long versus short trade risk. Where does the risk lie? Well, the risk lies on short trades, in my opinion. The greatest favor lies on good long trades and great long trade setups. That's why this metric in the blue line here is the metric value. The price action is in white here, showing us that this is a great time to get into long trades, just as we are on this channel at the current moment. Well, and institutional smart money over here, what are they doing? When the price was dipping in here, and a lot of retail traders, if you guys just follow me up here, a lot of retail traders were getting very greedy in this area up here, and when it started moving back down, they got very anxious and fearful on the dip. Follow me. Dip here, anxiousness and fearfulness. What are Wells and institutions doing, guys? What are we doing? We are buying the anxiousness and the fearfulness of all retail traders, and we are buying the liquidity that they're creating. Follow me here. As retail traders get trapped by buying up here and they have their supports hit and their stop losses, they are selling off in the market. What they are doing, retail traders, is they are getting trapped and they are getting fearful, and they are selling their positions with the hope that they can buy in at a lower position. With our trading strategy, we are buying the fear and the anxiety of retail traders, as well as staying on the correct side of the Wells, the institutions, and smart money. They are acquiring long trades on the dip, and they're driving this price back up. What we saw recently is that we ended up coming out and looking for short trades in the market around this area and dropping this back down. Okay, was the strength of it very strong? Not very strong, because we definitely can have metric values down here, but I want you guys to watch over this next few days in the weekend is to see what side this market is actually turning to. If we start seeing a nice pump up here in Ethereum, I do believe what you guys are going to see is short trades start to take over with institutions looking to take some profit on the move up, which is exactly what we are going to be doing, taking profit on longs while institutions go short. When institutions go short, what happens with the price? The price goes down. What do? We set up buy limits and we get triggered into trades and we win another trade. That's it. Wash and repeat over and over. Support and resistance prices here. We could be pushing up to 4,867. 4,867 is structure high up here. I do think this is possible, but I do believe we are going to see a little bit more of a hesitation right around this 4,500 psychological level. It's the quarters theory level, 4,250, 4,500, 4,750, 5,000. These are quarters theory numbers. I am going to try to get us out here before we get to 4,750 because I believe that's going to be another drop as well as correlated to very nice structure resistances on Ethereum. Plenty of money to be made there. Make some money, probably make about $300 to $400 on this single trade alone, and then we'll be dropping back down, getting into our next buy limit, and then we'll ride that back up. So much fun that we're having over here. Like, I have a blast trading this strategy so much. Okay, looking at dollar cost average entries, if you guys have, let's say, $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market every time you get a green line, that is awesome. Go ahead. Do that. You guys can do this. I'm not a financial advisor. I want to just make that very clear. But as you guys are looking at the markets over here, you guys can put money in the market and hold for 5 to 10 years. These are going to be great entries to give you guys dollar cost average entries for long-term holding. Exit points. We haven't seen any exits come out yet. Why? Because we haven't pushed up too high. But once this comes out and we see a red bar, I will be looking to possibly exit this trade. So I'm watching these metrics with you guys. Okay. Let's get you guys into the next trades so you don't miss another win that we're taking over here. Okay. The pricing is very simple, and I will be upping the price of this, but I promise I will grandfather all of you guys in. It's $49 a month. This will give you access to all of our metrics that I just went over for the top 10 coins, as well as it will give you guys access to the most important part, and that is the live trades. The live trade section over here, if you guys just click live trades, you can't miss it. It's on the front page. Here's Bitcoin, here's Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Solana, VeChain, Polygon, Polkadot, VET, Black Friday sale, okay? These are the top 10 coins we trade. Plenty of money to be made over here for you guys, all right? So what you want to do is you want to be coming over here and you want to make sure you're signed up with your membership because all of our 83 wins have been called out on this single page. And then the exits over here are what I'm doing in the Telegram channel and helping you guys with that. So follow this. I'm going to make it all very simple. I know we're talking about Ethereum. I'm going to keep it private for our subscribers. Let's go over Bitcoin. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics update. So make sure you guys are watching to see if buy limits are updating, literally in about 26 minutes here. What you're going to do is when this clicks over to 11:25, you guys can set up all of your buy limits for today, okay? If you have $1,000, you simply take your trade allotment and split it into 4 equal portions. So 1,000 divided by 4, 25% is 250. So 250 would go here, 250 would go here, 250 here, and 250 there. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set your sell limit up here at the sell limit priced in green. It's very clear to see all these prices. It's in neon yellow and it's in almost neon green, okay? That's very simple. Once you guys do that, sign up for the Telegram channel on your phone or your computer first. Sign into Telegram on your personal account, on your phone or your computer first, and then come over and click the Telegram channel link here. This will actually give you guys a hot link. A hot link is what gives you guys access over into the Telegram channel, and it automatically adds you in here. So you guys can get the exits I'm calling with the indicators, okay? Quick little tidbit here so you guys know some pro tips. Once your guys' first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they're at. The strategy will take over, and you guys will just hit buy limits, and break-even entries will move down for you, and I'll cover that, okay? Don't move them. If you guys are not into the trade yet, and the buy limit moves up or moves down, come back and update the buy limits every day until you're in your first trade. It's a little bit of management in the beginning, but once you're in a trade, guys, it is so much fun because you're then just looking to take profit with the indicators. All right, the indicators are what you guys need to be snagging today. You only have 5 days left. The Black Friday sale is this. No other package I've seen online is 83% off for indicators, like anywhere. Normally, if you guys want right now to get our indicators individually, you guys will get them between 58 to 60% off, okay? That is the price versus the well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These are the 3 indicators I use on every video, and this is how we call tops and bottoms in the market. Like I showed you guys over here, the tops and the bottoms. We use these for all of our exit calls. I literally called this out last time we were over here. I said over here we were in the trend exhaustion. The trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow are high, and this is where we have dropped fast before, so I want us to secure some profits here of 50%. I'm using this and I'm teaching you guys how to use this. We have traders literally doing $20,000 using these indicators on other cryptos that I don't even cover based off how accurate they are, okay? It is pretty ridiculous what people are doing. So the indicators are what you guys want to get. Is probably the best amount of money you can spend on Black Friday for this reason, is because with these indicators, you actually get to make money. Like, I love some clothing companies out there. Like, I don't know if you guys know this clothing company. This is for fun. No advice or anything like this on this. But I love this company called Cuts Clothing. They might be hyped up too much online. I love the feel. I love their quality of clothes. They give me 30% off on Black Friday. I'm literally giving you guys 83% off. My clothes will not make me any money, okay? It's just going to make me feel a little bit better, and I enjoy wearing them. With this bundle pack, this is a place where you guys can actually start making money with the Black Friday sale, which is different from a lot of other purchases like your 75-inch TV. Once you guys are in here and you're making more money, you guys can go out and buy more products if you want. That's what's kind of nice about trading, is that when you guys understand how to trade this and you're making money, you can go out and purchase more things for yourself. This is why the Black Friday sale is so good. Make sure you guys do snag this. It's in the description, or you guys can click this right here on our website. Simply enter the coupon code Black Friday. Doesn't matter if you capitalize the B or the F or whatever. I've made it to accept everything. Just enter coupon code Black Friday and you guys will get 83% off. It's going to go up for $50 at the end of this month. I'm also going to up the price for the Well Money Flow and the Trend Exhaustion in the next quarter of 2022. So make sure you guys snag that before everything goes up in price. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Make sure you're watching this. I will be watching this as well. I'm going to see if we can get Ethereum to pump up a little bit higher here. Watch the Trend Exhaustion push up in the top red section as well as this. I will be looking for a move down when we get up here. If I don't call an exit, it's not because I'm not looking at the charts, guys. It's because I'm waiting for another move down to give us even more momentum to push back up. But if this thing starts moving up really fast and we get up into these areas where we get around that $4,750 level, which I do think we could head up there, that is definitely a place where I'm going to be taking some profits between 6 to 8% on this trade, and then we'll reinvest on the dip back down. All right, guys, get the indicators before they go up, get your membership before it goes up in price, and make sure you guys are joining me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day with your family today. Enjoy the food, guys. I love the turkey and the mashed potatoes and all that good stuff. The pill apart, like little like bread. I don't know what the name of it. I think it's by Pillsbury or whatever. Anyways, I love family and food. Love those a lot. God bless you guys. Get the indicators and everything you need in the description, and I'll keep you guys updated with some videos coming out tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye-bye.